Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. Discover the perfect way to elevate your blending game with innovative features and powerful performance. Best Ninja blenders stand out for their ability to crush ice, blend smoothies, and create delicious recipes effortlessly, making your kitchen tasks simpler. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System BN81. The Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System BN81 is a powerhouse designed for households that want versatility, capacity, and ease of use. With its modern design and improved functionality compared to previous models, this kitchen system goes beyond simple blending. Its 1400 peak watt motor, combined with total crushing blades, delivers perfectly crushed ice, creamy smoothies, and frozen drinks with ease. The included 8-cup precision processor bowl is a game changer for food prep, providing even chopping and smooth purees for dips, sauces, or dough. 5 preset IQ programs simplify your routine by automatically combining pulsing, blending, and pausing for the perfect results at the touch of the button. The extra-large 72-ounce pitcher, 64-ounce Lex liquid capacity, makes it ideal for family gatherings or meal prepping. For busy lifestyles, 2 24-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids allow you to take nutrient-rich smoothies and drinks on the go. The BN81 is BPA-free and built to handle everything from frozen fruits to dough making, making it a reliable all-in-one appliance. Whether you're chopping vegetables, kneading dough, or blending a post-workout shake, this system combines power and intelligence to take the guesswork out of meal and drink preparation. Number 2. Ninja Professional Plus Blender BN701. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender BN701 offers high-performance blending in a streamlined design for everyday use. This upgraded model delivers more power than Ninja's original professional blender, featuring a 1400 peak watt motor that works seamlessly with total crushing blades to pulverize ice, blend frozen fruit, and create creamy smoothies in seconds. The included 15 recipe inspiration guide helps you explore new drink and dessert options right away. Its intelligent blending programs automatically time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns so you can achieve consistent results without monitoring the process. Whether you're blending a quick breakfast smoothie or a weekend frozen cocktail, the BN701 provides professional-level performance, generous capacity, and user-friendly controls, making it a dependable choice for anyone seeking powerful blending results at home. Number 3. Ninja Twisty Blender Duo SS151. The Ninja Twisty Blender Duo SS151 is designed for those who crave total control and smoother textures in every blend. Equipped with a 1600 peak watt power-dense motor, it tackles tough ingredients like frozen fruits, nuts, and seeds without stalling, stirring, or shaking. The built-in twist tamper is a standout feature, allowing you to push ingredients down toward the high-speed blades for perfectly thick and even results. 5 preset functions let you create extractions, smoothies, frozen drinks, spreads, and bowls at the touch of a button, while Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending by combining unique timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. The included drizzle cap allows you to add liquids or other ingredients while blending for customized recipes. Compact yet powerful, the Twisty Duo is ideal for health enthusiasts and home chefs who value efficiency, control, and premium results in a countertop appliance. Number 4. Ninja DualBrew Pro Specialty SS401. The Ninja DualBrew Pro Specialty SS401 blends enhanced food processing with powerful blending for a multifunctional kitchen experience. Its 1600 peak watt power-dense motor and Smart Torque technology power through frozen or dense ingredients without stalling, making it ideal for smoothie bowls, nut butters, and nutrient extractions. The enhanced processing lid with a feed chute and select cut processing discs allows precise shredding, slicing, and grating, reducing your reliance on separate food processors. With 7 preset Auto IQ programs, you can create smoothies, bowls, extractions, chopping tasks, and more at the touch of a button.
The hybrid edge blade assembly further improves ingredient breakdown for smoother blends. Combining versatility, power, and intelligent technology, the SS401 is a comprehensive blending and processing system for creative home chefs. Number 5. Ninja Detect Kitchen System Power Blender TB301. The Ninja Detect Kitchen System Power Blender TB301 is the brand's smartest and most powerful blending system yet. With its robust 1800 peak watt motor base, it easily powers through tough ingredients like frozen fruits, fibrous vegetables, and nuts. What sets this model apart is its Blend Sense technology, which automatically adjusts speed and time to deliver perfectly smooth results, while an innovative dial keeps you informed about the current mode for a user-friendly experience. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or someone who loves experimenting with new recipes, the TB301's advanced features and intuitive controls make it an outstanding investment for effortless blending and food processing at home. From powerful motors to intelligent auto IQ programs, these best Ninja blenders offer unmatched versatility and convenience for your kitchen. Whether you're crushing ice, blending smoothies, or prepping ingredients, each model delivers professional-grade performance with thoughtful features. Their large capacities, innovative technologies, and easy-to-clean designs make them reliable partners for healthy drinks, family meals, and creative recipes every day.